Hello, Scott Smith here. Glad you're here. In this first video under our Facebook instruction tutorial videos, I want to show you a little bit about your images that you got for sharing on social media and why there are different ones and how you can choose which ones to use. You're going to notice that you have three different sets. One is a Facebook set, one is an Instagram set, and a Twitter set. And those are grouped that way because they're sized accordingly. In other words, typically a Twitter image is not sized in a way that shows correctly if you post it to Facebook. So we have optimized all the images for their appropriate platforms. And so you have Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. The only exception would be that an Instagram image can be shared on Facebook and it shows up just fine because Facebook tends to show square images without cropping any of it off. So basically what you've got is you've got these two images here in the Big Invite Instagram set, and then you've got a few here in the Big Invite Twitter set. But the one you'll be using the most for the vast majority of our churches use Facebook, and that's why we have the variety here. We went to the extra trouble of creating more variety in this package under Facebook. So for instance, if you look here, we've got Facebook Jill, Facebook Jamaica, Facebook I forget his name, and Facebook Vince, and so those are all there, and then there's one version that has all four. And then there are these. Now let me caution you on one thing. All of these can be posted to Facebook. You'll notice that there's only a few that can be posted as an ad on Facebook or a boosted post. And here's why. Facebook has a rule that if you're going to put money behind a post and turn it into a boosted post, it effectively is a Facebook ad. And the Facebook ad guidelines state that they tend to discriminate and not show as often or at all images that have more than 20% of the face of that image taken up with text. So, for instance, in this image, this would not work on Facebook because the Start Your New Beginning takes up too much of the front of the image. And so you'll notice that these are the same. That you probably couldn't use this one either because there's too much text on it. This, however, this image could be posted on Facebook, and because this is set to take up less space there. So as you look through this package, just notice that, and if you're ever unsure about an image in the future, Facebook has a page that checks for you. You just go to Google and you type in Facebook overlay tool, and then click the link there, text overlay tool, and you can literally just upload your image and it will tell you if it can be used as an ad or not. So here we go. So see, this is image text okay. You can run your ad normally. So that's a little bit about your images and how they'll be used on these different platforms. And if we make any changes to these images, we'll certainly be in touch about that.